two popular devices when it comes to home security. One is the video doorbell made by a company such as Ring. Another one is the security camera, and often we see Netgear, Logitech, D-Link, almost everyone is in the game. Well, my friends, it's your lucky day. I have a gadget that does both. We're looking at the Zmodo Torch Pro package, and it has a smart door light and a connected doorbell. It's powered, the main unit is a torch light, but that's also a security camera, and all that's powered is by the light socket, so you don't really have to plug it in or worry about having an outlet outdoors. The Zmodo Torch light is in the shape of a Coke can and does have a light socket on the top so that you can fix it into your light socket. It does record in 720p, but I mean that's enough if you're looking at just your porch. Also, the entire system is connected by the Zmodo app to access the torch, as in, you know, if you want to see the recordings or if you want to see live. Also, because it does replace your torch light, the lighting fixture does have multiple colors, so you're able to customize that and really set the tone for the guests that are coming in. The second unit is the doorbell, and this is a very smart doorbell because it features infrared and also motion sensing. So you're able to be notified when there is a stranger or someone that you know standing in front of the door. And the doorbell is in the shape of a deck of cards, slightly smaller, and it has a infrared motion sensor and a button to press for the doorbell. And the third unit is the Beam Alert Wi-Fi range extender, and this ensures that you have strong connection at your porch because we often have our routers are inside of the home, maybe in the basement, and sometimes it's quite far away from your front door. Well, this Beam Alert Wi-Fi range extender is going to extend the range and make sure that you get great Wi-Fi, because the last thing you want is have all of these things set up and not being able to record anything on your video monitor. And the Beam Alert Wi-Fi range extender is basically the size of a typical wall outlet, and it does fit into your wall outlet with the 3 prongs on the back. What I love about this system is that it covers all front and back of your home. In the front, you're going to have this smart doorbell that's going to have motion sensing and also conventional doorbell features. And in the back on your porch, you're going to have this light fixture that's going to replace both your torch light and also act as a video monitor, so you can see what's going on and still play around with the millions of colors that you're able to provide with the app. And the last but not least, everything works within the Zmodo app, so you can control the front and the back within one app. I think this is going to be a great option for you if you're looking to have simple video monitoring and doorbell features with just one system. Check it out. It's the Zmodo Torch Pro package.